Then Solomon stood before the altar of the Lord in the presence of the assembly of Israel, and spread out his hand towards heavens. And he said, Lord God of Israel, there is no God in heaven above or on earth below like you, who keep your covenant and mercy with your servant, who walk before you with all their hearts. You have kept what you promised your servant David my father. You have both spoken with your mouth and fulfilled it with your hands, as it is this day. Therefore, Lord, God of Israel, now keep what you promised your servant David, my father, saying, you shall not fail to have a man sit before me, Israel, only if your sons take heed to their ways, that they walk before me, as you have walked before me. And now I pray, O God,